The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clinton and Highland counties in Ohio until 6 o'clock p.m. At 5:15 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing penny-sized hail and winds up to 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Martinsville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Lynchburg, Wilmington, New Vienna, Sabina, in addition, Cuba, Martinsville, Morrisville, Burtonville, Nanticoke, Melvin, Samantha, and Highland are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. Stay indoors and away from windows until the storm has passed. Please report strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. Tuesday evening for southeastern Indiana, northeastern Kentucky, and southwestern Ohio.